This right here, Active Directory, it's been required for every single FSLogix profile in AVD. Unfortunately, it's also been the #1 support ticket generator in AVD history. But you don't need it anymore. And if we're getting rid of Active Directory along with all of those tickets, we need something foolproof to replace it, like Entra ID Kerberos. It can handle all the authentication for Windows SMB shares without all that legacy stuff, and it's super easy to set up. And since we're going all cloud, we'll need some cloud users, like these. And to make it easier, I put them all into one group. Now over in the AVD portal, go to your host pool and then RDP properties. And right here needs to be set to enable Entra authentication. Then scroll down on the left and go to your app groups. Then go to your assignments and click add. Find that cloud users group and add them here. Now for FSLogix, we've got a bunch of options to configure it. You could use a deployment script or custom script extension to edit the registry, and you can do that with a script like this that's up on my GitHub, linked in the video description. Or you can manage it with Intune. You can create a configuration policy for Windows 10 and later, then use the settings catalog. Give it a name and a description, and then add a setting. Search for Kerberos, and this is most important. You need the Kerberos Cloud Ticket Retrieval. Without this, the host won't be able to talk to Entra ID and get a Kerberos ticket. And then you'll be left banging your head against the wall wondering what's wrong. Then search for FSLogix. Then go to your profiles, and this is where you'll find most of the best practice settings, like the directory naming and others. And the docs with all the best practices are linked in the video description too, so you're welcome. Then just deploy your host as always. Now, we need a storage account, and we'll start by creating a new one. Then I'll show you an existing one in just a second. But you, of course, know how to do this. But the new part that I want to show you is over on the Security tab. Default to Entra authentication must be checked. Then just complete the build as you always would. Now, for an existing storage account, go to your file shares and then browse. The authentication model is probably access key. You need to change it to Entra. And since there's a bunch of new security controls for all of this, you'll probably get this error message. And to fix it, we're going to need to add some permissions directly into the share. So go to Access Control and add a new role. Search for File Data, and then you want the Privileged Contributor. Then add whatever user or group should administer this whole thing for you. Then go ahead and finish. Now, it's going to take a minute or so for this error to go away, so you might have to refresh a couple times, but there we go. Now close the share because we need to enable Entra ID Kerberos, which you do by clicking right up here. And then click the Setup for Entra Kerberos, and all you need to do is just check this box and click Save. Then at the bottom here, enable the permissions and set it to the SMB contributor. Save that. Now we just need to set the FSLogix permissions just like we used to do in NTFS. Now the creator owner should have modify for this folder and subfolders. The users should have modify at this folder only. And the admin should have full control over folders, subfolders, and files. Then just click Save. And now we're ready to test. So open your Windows app, click on it to connect, sign in, and FSLogix is connecting and we're getting signed in here. And if you open a command prompt, and you can check your join type with dsregcmd /status, and we are cloud joined only, which is great. And now type the command klist, and that'll show you all of the Kerberos tickets that you have, and there's our file share. So if you go back to the portal to that file share, you've got a new folder for your profile, as well as your profile disk. And now that you've mastered the new cloud-only AVD, you want to check out this video on AVD Hybrid, and happy learning.